Hello everyone, my name is Murat Merdin. I am the CEO and co-founder of DRONEQUBE. DRONEQUBE uses autonomous drones and robots to monitor crop health and uses AI to detect pests and diseases. Today I'm going to show you a demo of this at a vineyard. This is our first customer, by the way. Our platform is a holistic platform. It gives you weather information, disease information, and you can also track the phenological cycle of the crop. The process is very simple. If the weather conditions are okay, we also get those information there, and we also have pest traps integrated. So a lot of information coming through the system, and all you need to do is select the area that you're going to work on, and then schedule your missions according to this area and what you are trying to do. You can basically do mapping missions, surveying, scouting, and you can check your crops either daily, like the cleaning robots at your home, or you can set them instantly ready to go. You can see all the weather information here. This allows you to give more information if the weather is flyable, and also it is okay to do spraying, for example. So once we do schedule, it saves it here, and then we will soon see. This is just a page to monitor the track, monitor the position of the drone, and once it's ready, once it connects to the satellite, then it will start its mission autonomously and then do the mapping. And when it completes this mission, it will upload all the photos to the system, and we can also select different AIs for finding anomalies or any type of problem in this. I will later on show you a gallery page once the drone completes its mission. But let me jump through here while it's doing its things there. You can basically see all the raw images there. And once this finishes, this will go on and use the AI to specifically target the problems. What we are trying to do here can be easily pivoted to the palm trees, especially in UAE. And red palm beaver problem, for example, is a nice example to demonstrate DRONEQUBE's strength. We can early detect the pests, and we can also do the treatment autonomously without any human, without any operator, without any pilots on the ground. This is fully autonomous again. How do you monitor the cameras of the drone if you need to? By the way, this is gonna do. Would you like to zoom in to this feature? Because I will change the cameras now. We have different set of cameras. You can use, for example, infrared camera in this. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you to see. Okay, this is the FPV one. This is how the drone sees around. And once I switch the, for example, infrared camera, we will get to see a thermal image. So we can basically use this for irrigation analysis. And this is also going to help us to save water and do plant precise interventions. But we also have the zoom option. And in this one, you can go and zoom into the palm trees and see what's happening over there, and if there are any pests or any other problems that you need to deal with. Oh, it's already completed its mission. So, and it's coming down now. So this is how we do daily, monthly, hourly missions to track crop health, and this allows us to save water, use the agrochemicals precisely, and also detect any problems earlier and give you time to prevent all those problems in your farms. Thank you very much.